Good evening, everyone. My name is Caledon Smith, and I'm here this evening to instruct you in how to create a bibliography in Microsoft Word. The first thing we'll need to do after opening up Microsoft Word is to locate the reference tab on our ribbon, which our ribbon is at the top of our document. And we're going to locate the reference tab here and select it. And then from there, we're going to find our citations and bibliography section. The section names are located at the bottom of the ribbon. We're going to find the citations and bibliography. This is broken up into 4 different parts. Insert, citation, bibliography, we'll get to at the end. For now, we want to first take a look at the styled section, which if it's not already set to APA, go ahead and click on the drop-down arrow and locate APA 6th edition. Or if you want to use a different style, go ahead and you can pick from one of the presets that are already loaded into Microsoft Word. For this purposes, we're going to be using APA style. Next, we want to go to the Manage Sources section. This is going to bring up our Source Manager dialog box, which is broken into 3 main sections. Our master list, which is the list of all the sources that we have ever created in Microsoft Word. It will save these here so you can use them in other documents. And our current list, which is the section of references that you're using in the current document you have opened right here. In this case, I've already preloaded this particular source in as I am strapped for time. So we're going to go ahead and click on how to make one of these though. We're going to click on new. And this will bring up a new dialog box, create source dialog box, which is broken up into a myriad of different fields based off the type of source that you have selected. So this particular source is a book, J.P. Moreland's Kingdom Triangle, an excellent book. I highly recommend you read if you ever get a chance. And let's say if it wasn't a book, it was a website. You can click down here on website and you'll see that the fields change to match the required citation purposes for this purpose of citation. So that going back to book, our first field we need to fill out is author. You can simply type in the author's name here, though I highly recommend using the edit feature as it will allow you to type in the person's last name, first name, and middle, so that way you don't put them in the wrong order. So in this case, it is James. Last name is Moreland. First name is James. And then the middle name is Porter. See, even there, I was about to put him in the wrong order. And we'll just add that to our names section. Now, the names section itself, the more authors you have, you can keep adding in new names. And they'll add them here to the tab here. Now, to save time, I've already created and filled out the rest of these fields. So what you'll do is just simply hit OK. But in this case, I'm going to select the previous one and hit Edit. And you can see the rest of the fields filled out for our citation. Now, when you have these filled out, you can hit OK. And then how do you insert them into your document? You might ask. And that's where we get into the insert citation and the bibliography. Now, throughout your document, when you get to the point where you want to cite the source for Moreland here, we'll simply have to click on Citation, Insert Citation, and then choose Moreland from the list. And it'll automatically insert Moreland citation for you according to APA style. When you get to the end of your paper and you're ready for your bibliography, you can click on the bibliography section, go to References or Bibliography, Works Cited, whichever one you prefer, or insert your own, and it'll automatically take all your sources that you have loaded in here and create the citation for you, which is a wonderful time saver. So, I only have 5 minutes to do this video. Would love to be a little bit more descriptive, but I hope everything that I showed you this evening opened your eyes to something new in Microsoft Word. If not, maybe it was just a brief refresher for you on how to do things. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you want me to show you something else in Microsoft Word, please contact me and I'll do so. I hope you have a great evening, and thank you for watching. Good evening.